Hi guys, I have a very nice Dell laptop coming in today for a charging port problem. Okay, the computer turned on. However, when you plug the charger in, there's no light indication on the side that is plugged in, and the computer say there's nothing plugged in. Okay, so let open it up and see what's going on, and hopefully we could fix it. Okay. To open it up is really straightforward. 3 screw there. I believe 1 screw under here, another one here, and 2 on the side here. And these screw is, I don't think it come up all the way. So as long as you're losing it, just let it be. I want to tell you what type of what model this is, but it's just the label is all faded out, so I don't even know which one it is. I know it's a Dell Inspiron, but that's about it. But you know, the whole point of this right now is to examine and see what's going on with the port. Hopefully we could fix the port itself. So yeah, let's continue on that. To open it up, get some prying tool, go along the edges. You will hear pop, 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 or click. You should be fine. Keep on going, and once it's out, it will, you know, you're losing up, and you could take it out. And it seemed like it out, but the screw is not good enough. So there you go. Also this one. Okay. All right, that is out of the way. First thing first, let's take out the battery. Always take out the battery. Always take out the battery first, and this should be the port over here. Let's see, let me open that part out and see if we could see anything from there or not. Always something. Sorry about that, guys. But let's continue. There's 2 screws here. They are different screws, so let's put them separate. Not too bad. One is okay. Not too bad. If anybody know which model this is, that would be great. But I definitely don't know what model this one is. Okay. I can't really see nothing wrong from this side of it. Seem okay. The board is a little bit wavy. Ooh, look at this. This is moving. All right, let's take it apart. Take it all apart so we could get into flip the board around and look at it. Okay. I don't think you need to take the whole battery out, but this is okay. All right, let's take this connector off. Let's just take all the connector off first. This is for the backlight. I don't want to take the battery out.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Okay, you know what? It's only a few screws. I'm gonna take it out. Make life easier. I don't want to rip that ribbon. I know if I spend more time on it, I could take it out, but nah. Better safe than sorry, I guess. It's only 3 screws, so not a big deal. Wow, that thing is cracked already. Okay. Gotta be gentle with that. That is out. Ribbon is also out. Okay, I guess that's good. And keyboard, touchpad. All this out of the way. Alright, for this one there's no label, so it's best to know which one to plug into where. I guess from here it's gonna go to the top. Well, I don't think, yeah, the wire already tell you where it's supposed to go. It's not long enough, so it should be okay. Take this out. I'm gonna take that out too. Alright, or the connector. When you're done, you want to make sure you look around first, guys. That's, you know, there's always something hidden or something, you can see it, to avoid damage to it, I guess. But so far everything seemed to be out. I got 1 screw, 2, 3, 4. None too bad. Not even 4. I don't know, sure. Do we need to take that out or not? But not a big deal. Let's just take it apart. Okay. I really don't want to. Can I take it without a heat sink? Maybe I have to remove the fan. Let me leave the screw here. Alright, we're stuck. Alright, let's go under the microscope and see if this is anything wrong with it. But so far, I think it's a little bit wiggly. Yeah, it seems wiggly. So let's go examine and see if we can fix it, okay? Alright guys, let's examine it. See if we could find anything here. Anything wrong? Yeah, this is wiggly. I guess this is supposed to, I don't know what's going on, but this is very wiggly. I don't know if you guys can see it from there. Wow. Wow. Okay, this is bad. Alright, this is very, very bad. Wow. This is not just bad, but super, super bad. Oh, wow. Can you guys see it from there? Pretty much all of this, each and every single pin leg is ripped it off from the board, and also took the pad, the soldering pad leg off of the motherboard. So even if we manage to run trace wire to it, which is fine, and solder onto the pin itself, maybe, but there's no point of doing. I don't think I could. This is way too much. Yeah, it is way too much. Alright, let's see. Let me call him up and see what's going on and see if he wanted to do it or not, okay? Alright guys, I guess this is gonna be the end of this. But maybe this video will help whoever need to get their board replaced or how to swap it out. But yeah, I had called a customer and he don't want to do it, okay? Because the job is too big. I had to charge him more, and he decided not to do it. So nevertheless, that's all we could do for now. Everything is based on the customer, I guess, decision. So for now, we're just gonna put it back so we could return it back to him, okay? It didn't work out too well, so too bad, not too crazy. Plus this job is kind of hectic too. It's 1 or 2 pin leg is fine, but this is a whole lot of pin leg, okay? And also I believe this is a dual pin port, so behind it I don't even know what may happen too. So yeah, I guess it saved me a headache. So that's fine. Why are you trying to go in here? Yeah, but sometimes customer want to do it, you could do it, but if they don't, there's not much you could do. You work for, I guess, their will or something. Anyway, nevertheless, that's in. Put this little guy back in for them. Sorry guys that you know, I want to do the video of how it is, but apparently it's gonna be a short video this time. City connector. Put this 3 screw back first. I'm still debating should I put this video up or not. You know, I don't want to put up the video and say, hey, this is how you to swap out the motherboard, or how you take this apart, but it's about a port anyway to begin with. So I don't even know should I put it up or not. What the hell am I gonna put up? Oh yeah, it's yeah, I don't know. I don't think I can. Yeah, but I did all this recording, so it'll be a waste. But you know, somebody could surely use this video for something else there. You know, like the motherboard replace, how to disassemble it. So I don't know. I know I didn't took the screw out earlier, and now it's gone. What could it be? I left it there for a reason. Now you're telling me it's disappear? It was under. That's how I thought of it. Not too hard. To disassemble this is a nice design. I like it. A lot of wiring running around, but beside that, it's a nice design. Small, compact, sleek. Let's put the battery back. Where it go? Nothing too bad. Just a lot of wiring everywhere. Side is not too crazy. Hmm? You know what? Maybe I'm just gonna delete the audio file of this and just run 2x and say, hey, this is how you disassemble this laptop. But I still don't know what model this is, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, I think that is the best way. Instead of started out with the port problem, and then customer didn't want to fix. So it's really, that is a really good question that I need to think about. Everything look good, and everything okay. So let's put the cap back on for him. can see from there. Well, I feel like I forgot something. And let me just unplug it real quick. Since I'm still here, I feel like I forgot something. I feel like I'm forgetting something in there. Okay, I did put it in. Alright. Getting up. Just to be safe. Alright, yeah, I'll probably end this video here. But yeah, overall, that's it. And thank you for watching.